Hey guys, so rumor has it that Disneyland may close Splash Mountain this May. Yes, sorry, I know that my information is based on this site, but anything about Disneyland's version closure is better than nothing. Splash Mountain at Disney World has recently been closed, so the update regarding the Disneyland version should be coming soon. The new retheme, called Tiana's Bayou Adventure, will take place after the events of the 2007 film Princess and the Frog and will be part of the New Orleans Square at Disneyland instead of Critter Country. For the ride's new setting in both Disneyland and Disney World, Tiana's Foods is an employee-owned community food co-op established by Tiana in 1927, following the success of her restaurant, Tiana's Palace. The co-op is housed inside a salt mine, with growers planting crops along the old Splash Mountain waterway. In addition, the French Market restaurant in New Orleans Square will eventually be replaced by Tiana's Palace in order to support the new retheme of Splash Mountain. So guys, take it with a grain of salt, but it soon appears that Disneyland's version would be closed sooner than expected. So try and ride Disneyland's Splash Mountain as many times the last time before it's being closed. See you later.
Folks hereabouts say Brer Rabbit's leaving home. I say he's heading for trouble.